we're going to find the surface area of a cone. The two important parts for finding the surface area of the cone is the slant height. That's called our slant height. And then the other important part is our radius. Okay, let's take a look at this. Last time we went over how the surface area for a prism is very it closely resembles the surface area for a cylinder. Well, the cylinder surface area is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Well, a cylinder has two circles. How many circles does this have? 1. So to get from here to here, divide by 2. So we have the cone surface area is equal to pi r squared plus, not 2, pi r. We no longer have a height, so it's called a slant height. Okay, so this is going to be the cone surface area, and you can see how they're closely related. This has 2 circles, so it's 2 times the number, 1 circle, so we don't use that. Alright, so let's go over a problem where we're not given all the details we want. So right here, given a dotted line, we're going to do a practice problem using this figure now. So creates a right angle. We don't know the radius, but we do know the following. We have this is 27 meters, and we have right here, this is 25 meters. So right away, we don't have a radius. We can't use this height of the figure. It doesn't work that way. So we have to find this radius, and we already know the slant height. So I'm going to redraw the right triangle so you can see it. So this is 25 meters. This is our radius that we don't know. And this is our slant height of 27 meters. That's our hypotenuse, so it ends up being r squared plus 25 squared. I'm just going to leave out the units so it's less writing. 27 squared. So we get r squared is equal to 27 squared minus 25 squared. So 27 squared minus 25 squared. Square root it. Oops. 27 squared minus 25 squared equals, we get 104. So r squared is equal to 104. Square root that. R is equal to, let's just round to the nearest tenth. We'll get 10.2 is our radius. Alright, now it's just as simple as plugging everything in here. So we're going to use this formula. We're going to use this formula. So the surface area of this cone will be equal to pi times 10.2 meters squared plus, ooh Lord, I gotta bring it down here, plus pi times 10.2 times 27 meters. Okay, so this was just saying that it's right here as well. Alright, so surface area will be equal to 10.2 squared gets us 104.04 pi meters squared plus, let's try to fit it in here. So here we're going to do 10 2 times 27 plus 27, 275.4 pi meters squared. Ooh, that is bad. Then from here, I'm going to do 275.4 plus 104.04 equals, and we get the surface area is equal to 379.44 pi meters squared. And in other words, you can multiply by this by 3.14159. That's our exact answer. And this is without. That would be equal to 119.2.04 meters squared. Pi is equal to 3.14159. And this right here is exact. Again, just to kind of re-emphasize, this is just on the same line. Same line. Alright, there you go. That's where it comes.